Hey everyone, and welcome to Clean Out Cooking. I don't know, that's what I'm going to call this new series. If you've never seen me before, hi, I'm Devin, I'm your average person, and this series is going to be just recipes that I'm making where we are clearing out our freezer and pantry. So I noticed going into the new year we had a lot of meats, and odds and ends in the freezer, and then a pantry totally disorganized. It needs to be organized, full of things as well, and we don't waste anything here. So I am gearing our menu planning for the next couple of days, weeks, however long it takes, around things that we already have, and I'm taking you along for the ride. So tonight we are making steak burrito bowls. Okay, so for burrito bowls, we are starting off strong. I had some cubed steak in the freezer, so we've got a freezer item that I think I bought to do maybe steak tacos, but it's been in there a while. So I threw that down in the pan with a little bit of oil and some seasonings, which I'll show you in a second. And for our rice element, you can use whatever kind of rice you have, but I've had this Knorr mushroom one in the pantry for a while. So there is our first pantry item, and we've got that going in a pot. This is a super easy dinner. It comes together really fast. You're basically heating up and cooking things quick, and then we're just gonna layer it on up. So let me show you what we got. Rice is boiling away. We're getting a sear on the beef here. Our bean of choice is a seasoned pinto bean. Picked a can of those up at the store, so we're gonna pop those in the microwave, get those nice and hot. All right, from the fridge, leftover pico for when I had dips and such when I hosted my in-laws a week ago. Got some guac. We always have some shredded cheese dregs. We've got a little sour cream, and from the pantry, tortilla chips left over from when we did some dips and stuff near New Year's. Okay, everything is hot that needs to be hot, so let's build a bowl. All right, we got rice down first. We are doing some beans next. All right, then we went down with steak. Now we're doing some cheese. Chopped romaine lettuce. We always have this in the fridge. That's next. I'm doing a little guac. I'm doing some pico. It's like my fresh salsa element. Topped it off with a little sour cream and some chips on the side. So there is our first cooking clean out meal. Steak burrito bowls. Bon appetit, y'all. Oh, and one last thing. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube. Same name as here, Devin_Lee_Bakes. Follow me there. If you're watching me on YouTube, make sure you follow me for more stuff like this and lots of fun to come. Okay, thanks. Bye.